All right. You were telling me that you saw a problem, Eddie. What problem did you discover?
That one.
Get close to it and show me.
This one.
What's wrong with it?
It's wiggly.
Wiggly? Yeah, the board's loose. So you thought we should make a video and show how to fix it? Is that what you thought?
Do you know how?
Huh?
Do you know how?
Well, we can figure it out, can't we? Okay.
Oh, look. Our tomatoes are getting watered.
They are getting watered. That's awesome.
So they're growing.
So what do you think we have to do to fix that, huh? You don't have any ideas? What do you think's causing the problem?
I don't know. Nails a little unscrewed.
You think the nails are unscrewed?
No, one is. See, I think.
Let's see, yeah, these aren't sticking into anything anymore. What about there too, probably? Okay.
I don't know.
So maybe we should take those screws out.
And that one too. See? Look. Yep. Looks like we can fix that.
All right.
Today.
Okay, you holding it? Hold it straight up.
Can I do it?
You can do it. Keep pulling it. Till it all comes all the way out. Straight. Make this straight up and down, like this. Oops. Ah. Oh! So you gotta have it straight up and down. Now, pull the trigger. Look at that. And it came out. That's not even very long. That is such a short screw, no wonder it didn't work. Okay, let's get this one out. Straight up and down. Okay, wait till it's in there. Now. Okay. That was so loose, it didn't even come up. Oh.
Do you need a little bit more?
Yep. Straight up and down. Yep. Pull that out of there.
Oh man, this is a big one.
Whoa, here, let's get these two too. Because look, they're not doing anything.
Can I do it?
Yep.
Can I do it right now?
Yep. Straight up and down.
Is this good?
There. I think that one's broken. Look at that. It's broken. I'm going to show the camera. See, look. The screw is broken. Okay, get the other one out.
We're gonna put new screws in, right, Paka?
Yes. There. That one didn't want to come up either. Wonder if it's broken also. Yep. It's also broken.
Can I?
See? Okay.
Where's the camera?
Camera's right there.
See? It's broken. The door.
Okay, let's put a long screw in instead.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
that would be better.
So, come down here.
You hold this piece.
Here, we're just going to put that over
This
here.
is a very new one.
Yeah.
I want to put it like
So start it in that hole a little bit. Turn it. Got it?
Is that good?
Oh, yeah.
I want to do that.
Now, put it like that, straight up and down.
Yeah.
And you got to kind of push down while you're doing it. I'm going to stand on the board also. Ready? Keep going. There.
That's a cool.
Is that better?
Hey.
Is that better? It's not as wiggly, right?
Yeah. But we still need to do these two and that one.
Yeah.
We hope Nani comes out.
Okay. wait until it's started a little bit. Really fast. There we go.
Oh, look at that wood we made.
There. Now, you want to put one over here?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it out.
Okay, get it.
Oh, I think this one is a cool one. It's
Okay.
like, these are like swords, and then you just poke on the other person.
What's that?
These are like swords. You just poke on the other person, right?
Oh, that would be dangerous, wouldn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah. I have a sword. Yeah.
Okay.
You know I have a real life sword?
You do?
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh, so
Go. Keep going. There we go. Nice. I think you fixed it, Eddie.
No, we didn't. We need one more. It's a little still more level.
Little wiggly.
Down. Yeah, push it down.
Oh, well, that might be the whole deck
What?
thing, not just that board.
What are those?
These are drill bits. They make holes. Okay?
So never touch them if you're good.
They're sharp because they're kind of like knives.
Yeah.
Okay, you can go like this
Turkey.
and just go like that, and you kind of feel it's kind of sharp, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. It's kind of dirty too.
Get another sword screw.
Which one?
The green
Oh.
ones.
The really big one?
No, the screws. The screws.
No.
Okay.
Have to be careful. It's this one pulling it out.
Yeah.
It was like this.
Oh, were you being careful about it?
Yeah. I just took this in. Right. Pulled it out.
Okay.
Instead of like touching that end. Very end. Yeah. That worked.
Okay.
Now.
You're right.
What's for that?
Okay, we're gonna put it in.
in.
Okay, kneel down again.
Which one? Which
Let's
one?
do this side first.
Which side? Ah.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, it's not raining anymore. Just a little sprinkle.
That. Ready?
Screw it. I'm gonna put my hood on
Okay.
so nothing gets on it.
All right. This time we're going to kind of go at an angle a little bit. Ready?
Can I go?
Yep. Keep going. There you go. Nice. Get another screw.
I picked a little dangerous one, alright? It was real. It was like this, white
Oh.
next to it.
Oh. But you were
So-
careful?
Yeah. I pulled like this and then like this.
Good
And
job.
now,
Good job. Okay. Let's get this other one done.
right here. This
Yes.
time we're going to go in another angle.
Yes. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Go. I think that's it. You just. Yep. You did it.
Put it out of the way, right?
We did it! Thumbs up!
No, but then I'm not doing it. Thanks for watching. And now I'm going to do this.
Okay. Awesome fix-it job. Stay there for a second.
So dumb than me, so do this.
Thank you so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe to see more videos of Jimmy and Eddie.